This video is regarding to the next set of videos that you want me to do, whether it is from audit MCQs or whether it is from law MCQs. I want you to please comment below so that I'll be continuing with those videos. And moreover, please note that all your queries should be posted, should be commented on or before 18th of June 2021, so that I'll be making a video on the same, and I'll be getting this that video on doubts uploaded by 21st or 22nd of June. Hope this clarifies with you. As I have mentioned in all of your comments that I'll be addressing your queries in a separate video. That video will be uploaded on 21st or 22nd June. But please comment all your queries on or before 18th of June, so that I'll be getting some time to consolidate your queries and upload a video on the same. And moreover, I had received a request that MCQs and MTPs and RTPs, MCQs and case studies of law old course need to be uploaded. Then okay, I'm accepting your request. I'll be uploading them on or before 22nd of June. If you expect and if you see any delays, please bear with me. I'll be uploading on or before 22nd of June. That's a promise from my side. I'll be uploading CA final, not of CA inter, CA final law old course, RTP and MTP, that is of latest series, case studies and MCQs, which will be uploaded by 22nd of June. And moreover, all your queries video will be uploaded by 21st or 22nd of June. But now I want you please comment below which set of questions that you want me to do, whether it is from RTP and MTP of audit case studies and MCQs, or you want me to require to start with law ICA booklet. Please comment below so that I'll be getting on to that track soon. But please comment as early as possible. Till 22nd of June, this is the schedule. If you comment whether you want me to do with or go with audit or with law, then I'll be getting all your videos on track, so that you'll be getting them at the earliest. Okay, I hope MCQs and case scenarios of law may not be completed on or before the scheduled examination date, but sure, I can either complete the case studies or the MCQs of law if you want me to do. But please don't comment both law and audit, because I need time to complete both the series. So audit and law case studies and MCQs, so you please comment that. And moreover, audit MCQs and case studies from MTP and RTP will take less time. And if you want me to do that, it will take a week time, so that I'll be getting them by 25th or 26th June. Okay. But law MCQs and case studies, I can't promise you that I'll be completing all those 100 MCQs and 30 case studies before the date of examination. But sure, I can either complete either of those, either the MCQs or the case studies. So comment accordingly, and I'll be continuing with the videos based on the based on the majority of your request. Okay, that's all. I want you to comment below at the earliest. Thanks for watching.